Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, May 17th, and we have a much improved weather pattern coming up over the next 6 to 10 days with plenty of sunshine and temperatures warming, and we should see some pretty dry air here over the next several days once we get past a few showers this morning, especially across far northern and lower Michigan, and maybe over the next day or two across extreme southern lower Michigan as the system will skirt by to the south. But again, we'll see much drier air, and that's going to allow for some pretty good evapotranspiration rates, and that should really help to dry the soil out here over the next several days. And again, that'll allow, I think, planting to get back into full swing. And I think by early next week, we'll be mainly through the corn in many areas by that time. So we're going to see a lot of field activity, I think, especially here for late week into the weekend into early next week. And again, we should see most of the corn in the ground by then, hopefully. You can see across the state, across the region, temperatures in the 50s in the south, 40s central, 30s north, and even some 20s. So quite a spread in temperatures as that cooler air pushes down into the region. But again, across central Michigan, I think, and to the north, there'll be more in the way of sunshine here over the next couple of days. And I think today some of the warmer temperatures will be across central and northern lower Michigan, and some of the cooler temperatures will be in the southern part of the state where they may see a few showers and more in the way of cloud cover. If we look at our normals for the day, our normal high is 71, the normal is 46. And if we look at the next shot, you can see the soil temperatures mainly below the 2-inch level around the 50-degree mark, so we're still quite cool. You can see quite a bit warmer, a little bit warmer in the mid-50s down in the southern part of the state. And looky here, the bliss field is starting to get some response to the soil moisture conditions. Again, we planted that about a week or week and a half ago, and it takes about a week to 2 weeks before we start to see the numbers being representative of the soil conditions. And again, no precipitation across the area officially since midnight. And you can see also some pretty dry conditions out there with a little bit of breeze and not much in the way of dew. If we look at the radar, you can see activity across the northern part of the state. That'll weaken as it moves to the east. And then the next system that could bring some showers into southern lower Michigan, again, heading this way. If we look at the next shot, try to show a webcam now and then. Not too many. I'm trying to get something out in Iowa, so we're going to have to do a little better job. But you can see this is from Urbandale, Iowa, where it's 43 degrees this morning. They're expecting a high of 65, maybe a shower. And just like us, they're going to warm up over the weekend into early next week, where they'll be around 80, upper 70s to low 80s at that time. But you can see by the green graphs, they also have had plenty of precipitation as well. If we look at the next shot, a little bit closer to home in Jasper, a little bit of cloud cover out there. And again, they'll see a chance of a few showers here today and tomorrow. But again, many areas will see plenty of sunshine the rest of the week with temperatures well into the 60s. We'll be up close to 70 on Thursday. I think we hit 70 on Friday, in the 70s over the weekend. And next week, plenty of 70s and maybe even 80 degrees here or there as well. So a really nice weather pattern shaping up. You can see on this morning's weather map, a trough will be coming through from northern Michigan, and that'll bring that chance of a few showers. And the next low pressure system is going to move well to the south of the state, and that should allow most of the precipitation to miss southern lower Michigan, but it might be a close call. You can see on the forecast map, though, by tomorrow, it shows the high pressure firmly in control, pushing all that precipitation off to the south. We'll keep an eye on that. But again, a very much improving weather condition. Now with the high pressure nearly overhead over the next couple of days, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, we could see some frost, especially across interior sections of central and northern lower Michigan. Right now, it doesn't look like southern lower Michigan would see much, if any, in the way of frost. And on Thursday, the high pressure system's moving off to the east, and that's what's going to allow temperatures to really begin to warm up into the 70s here as that system anchors itself to the east of us. We expect all the precipitation to stay off to our south. And you can see on the 7-day precipitation forecast, many parts of central and northern Michigan may not see any rainfall over the next 7 days, with only light amounts across southeast lower Michigan. And if we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, much above or near normal to above normal, not much above, probably above normal temperatures though as we get into early next week, with temperatures climbing perhaps in the upper 70s to near 80, with normal highs at time in the low 70s. So it'll certainly be a nice weather pattern even beyond the next 7 days. If we look at precipitation, again, probably beginning to get near normal as we see a little bit more in the way of moisture head this way as we get towards the middle or end of next week. But until then, lots of sunshine and warming temperatures. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.